I'm going to show you how to make this delicious coleslaw with an Asian twist with delicious yum yum sauce. We're going to use just a cabbage, shredded cabbage. Then we're going to use some carrots, shredded carrots, and red onion. And I'm going to also use some pea pods to add some more crunchiness. Cut it into strips like these. I love pea pods. They're crunchy and have a little sweetness to it. Delicious, and also add some really nice, pretty color to it too. You don't have to use a lot. So I'm going to add this. And then I'm going to add some craisins. And with the yum yum sauce. Just drizzle all over. Make your coleslaw unique and delicious. So then we'll just toss